YouTube? Another day, another video. Something else came in today. But let's talk about it. Yeah! Hi YouTube, so recently I've been looking online to kind of figure out how can I get this part of the bike to look dope. I never really ride with people on the back of me or like pillins or anybody on the back of my bike. So I went on the eBay or Amazon, one of those two, and I saw this pillin rear seat cover and I ordered it. And yeah, man, let's look at this together. Let's see what's in the box. It's shipped from Thailand, and hopefully it matches the color paint and it looks nice. And they got it in the big Ziploc bag. That's vented. Okay, Thailand. Hey. All right, so let's take this guy out. And they wrap it in some bubble wrap for you. Make sure the paint don't get scratched, chipped, or whatever. Now, I've heard that some of these are shipped. I'm sorry, some of these that you order are made of carbon fiber. I'm like, what? But for sure, this is not the carbon fiber version. I ordered the basic bright red version, and this is what it looks like. On the images, it doesn't really explain what this is, but this is basically a rubber backing. It's a solid rubber piece. This is what the bottom looks like. So it's attached on with these rubber lips. This is what locks in, just like the OEM seat, and then these clip on to the main hooks of the bike. So in case you guys are wondering, you're gonna order this. This is basically how it's designed and put together. I didn't know that the inside of this was clips, and the screw right there that holds this back piece on. I can just tell you one thing: it's gonna make the trunk of the bike a lot bigger. So I'm gonna take it off and just have a quick look at how it looks. So to take the seat off, put the key in. I think I need two hands. Oh, there it is. You gotta push down here and back. And just like that. Yeah, you see it. Yeah, you see it. So let's compare the two. Obviously, this one's a lot heavier. This one's also a lot shorter because this part of the seat, the OEM seat, does not pass the brake light, but this aftermarket one does pass the brake light. So if we compare them side by side, let me put it on the ground so I can give you guys a better look. So if I put it like that, if you look, one is obviously longer than the other. The only thing is, like, I don't have what I usually do when I get off my bike or at a gas station. I tuck my gloves in here so it holds it in place. This one I can't, but whatever, I don't care. And this is what the bike looks like right now. Let me put this new seat cover on. Damn, it already looks dope. Damn. All right, let me see. The front's not locking. There it is. There it is. I like the fact that it matches the bike, boy. That thing is in there solid. It ain't coming out. And I like that it passes the rear tail light. Oh, so one more thing I was thinking about looking into is the integrated tail light with turn signals, so I can get rid of these and it just be my tag. Because I kind of don't like how it sticks out like that. Try not to show like that. You see how it looks? If I can get the integrated tail light, that thing will look so dope. But yeah, man, so this is a kind of like a far image of what it looks like. Let me get a far image of the bike. That's what it looks like on the bike now. And it does match the paint. This is the light red version from the website. I'm gonna post in the link in the description below if you want to get this rear seat cover for your bike. And yes, the red does kind of match, man. I don't see a color difference. The only major difference is it doesn't have these stickers on the rear seat cover. But what if I take these stickers off? This one, this one, and just leave the Honda CBR650R. I've seen an image on Facebook with it like that. All right, guys. So real quick, I've been riding with a bike like this. I'm gonna say 4 days, 5 days, something like that. 4 to 5 days. Yeah, I'm gonna call it how it is. So 4 or 5 days so far. This is not bad. I thought by me having this being a hard plastic, I would feel it when I ride, like kind of like when I go from, sometimes when I corner, I lean off the bike. I thought this would hit my backside, my butt, but it actually doesn't. But the pants gear that I have, or the leg gear that I have, my leg gear, I have a tailbone protector, and my tailbone protector rubs up against this sometimes when I corner, because when I have my leg my leg is here and I shift over, I can feel my tailbone protector hit this as I shift over. So if you wear like gear like on your legs, like you have like pants gear, like the tailbone part, if it's thick, it's gonna hit that when you shift on the seat, and you will feel the difference. Just a heads up. But man, you know, I've been riding with that on the bike. I don't really get comments on it, I guess because people don't really know that doesn't come with the bike factory. Nobody really says anything, but yeah, man. So, man, I want to thank you guys for watching this CBR650R rear tail cover, and I hope that you guys have a wonderful, wonderful, wonderful day. Let me ask, do you guys have like a spot that you normally go to where you go to just like get away? Because like that scenery, sometimes I bring the bike out here and just sit on the pier for like hours. Like, okay, so the sunset, now it's pretty much gone, but what I would do is I would like come out here and sit here for 30 minutes sometimes 40 minutes. Sometimes I come here really, really early in the mornings and just like, you know, get out of my head. Or I talk about things that, I talk to myself or motivate myself about things that inspire me to want to ride, or to want to be a better person in life. So comment down below if you have a spot you normally go to where you just kind of like be by yourself. That makes sense? Where you just, it's just you and the waves. It's just you and nothing else. But it's like a pier that I'm on right now. It's like a concrete pier. And I just come out here with the bike, man. I park it, let it sit, let it cool off, and I just kind of sit on the edge and just look down at the water sometimes. I listen to the waves and just kind of like I said, like unwind or unplug from the world. You know what I mean? So if you got a spot, comment it below. See you guys next time.